Hello everybody, it's me again, part 3 of the Justflight Autopilot tutorial. Basic, highly inaccurate tutorial. Yeah, just a quick point on the second video. I said we're flying to the Buckeye VOR 150 radial. Of course that would have been away from the VOR, but you got the point of using the needle to fly on a radial to or from the VOR. So here we are enjoying some nice views of Arizona, courtesy of Mega Scenery Earth. Beautiful. But if we go this way, that's Mexico. Hello Mexico and Orbix Global. Yeah, okay, back to the nice side. Great, so here we are, we're now on a heading of 240, nice and simple, no VORs in the equation. We're on a heading with 24,000 feet. We want to descend. We want to descend now to, say, flight level 140. So we'll pre-select that. Now we have to now change the pitch of the aircraft to go down. So of course we've got to reduce power manually, and then it depends if we want to descend at a vertical speed or to descend at indicated airspeed. Yeah, both work. I tend to favor IAS, but I believe that in the real world it's more common to descend at vertical speed. So let's try that one. So first I'm going to do is engage outer arm. I'll reduce the power slowly. See the aircraft's pitching down already. Now wait till, what you can do is wait till this, say we want to descend at 2,500 feet. I'm ready here with vertical speed. When I get to 2,500 feet vertical speed, which is about now, the aircraft should hold that vertical speed. Now it's my job now to adjust the speed, power, to keep the speed where it should be. Yeah, look at that, the aircraft's nicely holding 2,500 feet per minute vertical speed. And I've just got to adjust power. Look, if I'm at 64% M1 now, if I increase that to 70, look what happens. Speed is just going to get away from me here. Look, well, it'll go slow of course, but aircraft maintains the vertical speed. You can see the speed building up here, so we've got overspeed in a moment, so let's be careful on that. So let's reduce the speed now all the way down to idle. If we go too far we'll probably get a warning. Let's say that's good enough there. 34%. Now we should start to see the speed decreasing. Of course, if we need to slow down, if we're getting to 10,000 feet, what we can do here is just put out the spoiler a little bit. Let's put it halfway. See a big decrease in the speed now. Say if I want to hold 250 knots now, let's put the bug there. So let's say 240, let's stay below. So we're getting there now, 250. Good. Alright, so pretending we're below 10,000 feet now. And then you just have to adjust with with speed brake and power to keep the speed how you want it. Let's say now we want to stay at this speed at 250 knots. Now what I will do is engage IAS. Now depending on my speed, now the vertical speed will change. Sorry, my power, the vertical speed will change. And the aircraft will hold this. I don't have it. Let's get that speed down. How am I going to get that speed below 250 knots here? Quickly going to engage sync. I'm going to pull up the nose a bit and trim it up a little bit. Okay, you see my vertical speed is decreasing. I should decrease here my airspeed. I want to be at 240 knots. Let's pitch a little bit more. Come on, trim it up a little more. There we go. Get that speed coming down below 250. There we go, we're good now. We're at 250. Now I'm going to take out sync. So the autopilot now should hold 250 knots. And now of course if I put in more power, let's say my rate of descent is too high, let's put in more power, let's go 70% and 1. Plane will pretty much level off at that power setting. So you're fighting to hold the 250 knots here. It's not highly accurate. I mean, don't forget it's an old aircraft and you've got to keep your eye on it. That's why I like it. Yeah, we're leveling off that just to keep the speed down. So there you go. That's how you would descend in either VS mode or IAS mode. So thanks a lot. I hope it's been helpful. Let's see how Mexico's doing. No, not so great. Back over the border. No offense, Mexico. It's just about the scenery. And thanks. Any comments are appreciated. Again, highly inaccurate, messy, but that's the way I like it. Nice and fun. Thank you.